Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what the swan does in Grow a Garden and how you can obtain it. So you can obtain it from hatching the fall egg. I'm sorry for lagging. I don't know what's going on today, but basically the swan every 25 minutes goes to another player's garden and to a random pet, befriends it, and perform its ability. So if you have hold on, where's my swan? Oh, it's here. So for instance, if you played in like a public server, it can kind of mimic the pet's ability, I guess, if they have like a really good pet. And every 6 minutes it applies a graceful mutation to a random crop. I actually really love the graceful mutation because it gives this like sparkly mutation to my plants, and it just looks super pretty. As you can see, this grape has it. This one, I don't know if you can clearly see that, but you can see the sparkles here. You can see it over here as well. It has the graceful mutation to it. I don't know, how do I harvest this? Okay, there we go. As you can see, it has the graceful mutation to it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.